Everyone is saying this CapCut Pro export trick is dead, but is that actually true? Today, I'm testing the viral free export method on the latest version of CapCut to see if it still works in 2026. No fake claims, no edited results, just a real test. As I'm recording this video, I have the latest version of CapCut installed, which is version 9.0.0. So let's test this free export trick together and see if it still works. Alright, first, let me show you the problem. If you're using CapCut on your PC, you've probably seen this before. You spend time editing your video, everything is ready, you click export, and suddenly CapCut asks you to subscribe to Pro. This usually happens because your project contains one or more Pro features or assets. Now, instead of paying for Pro or looking for unsafe methods online, let's see if this free method still works on the latest version. No cracks, no hacks, no modified software, just a simple method that anyone can follow. So, let's get started. First, select all the layers in your timeline by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Now right-click and select Create Compound Clip. This will combine all your layers into a single clip. And don't worry, if you ever need to edit your project again, just double-click the compound clip to open it, and all of your original layers will still be there. Now, on the top right side of your screen, go to the Video tab. Scroll down until you find Motion Blur, then enable it by checking the box. Next, set the blur ratio to just 1%. That's it. Now wait for it to finish processing. It may take a few minutes depending on your project, so just be patient. Meanwhile, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's completely free, and it really helps me out. Once the processing is complete, open the Windows search and type CapCut. On the right side, click Open File Location. Now, right-click the CapCut shortcut and select Open File Location one more time. At the top, click on the CapCut folder in the address bar. Then open the User Data folder. Next, open the Cache folder. Finally, open the Motion Blur Cache folder. You'll see two files here. Ignore the file that ends with alpha because it only contains transparency data. The other file is your fully rendered, high-quality video that CapCut just created for us. Now you have two options. If you're happy with Full HD, simply copy this file and use it wherever you want. But if you want to export in 4K, just drag and drop this video back into CapCut. If you get any error while importing it, simply restart CapCut and try again. That usually fixes the issue. Once the video has been added, delete the previous compound clip because that version still contains the Pro elements. Now CapCut no longer detects any active Pro features in your project. Because of that, when you open the export window, CapCut treats it as a normal free project. Now you can choose 4K resolution, 60 FPS, a higher bitrate, or any other export settings you want. Click Export, and your video will be saved to your PC without any watermark and without asking you to buy a Pro subscription. And that's it. That's how you can export your CapCut project for free, even if CapCut asks you to subscribe to Pro. If this method still works for you on the latest version, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.